Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to find out what is the slow leak on this tire. This is from the 2007 Prius. So first of all, you want to go ahead and mix your own soapy water. Okay. And normally I spray around the tire. See if there's any leak. And try to spray over here on the stem valve. So the car has been jacked up already, so I get it easy to rotate and do some inspection. So what are you looking for is like a bubble forming. Steam coming out. The sun is out today, so if you don't see any leak around the sidewall, you're gonna go and move into the tire right here. So the front tire, you see the bubble forming. Either the tire, when it was installing or doing a removal, either the mess up the rubber or the rim is bad. Okay. You're gonna move in and then look at the tire and spray some soapy water. By the way, you want to go and then inspect it slowly or rotate it slowly so you can see the bubble forming and stuff like that, okay? So somehow I spotted right here. You can see right here, it is slow forming, and then right here, that's from the old patch. So either I need to remove the old patch and then repatch it, see right here. See, it's forming again. So yeah, I'm going to use my tire repair tool to fix it. And you want to make sure you use the cement glue. Don't use a silicone or other glue. You need to use a cement glue in order to seal properly. So yeah, since I have my tire up in the jack or the wheel, I'm going to rotate it and going to rotate to a position that I can easy to plug in the tire repair strip. Alright, so I'm gonna rotate the tire into right here so I get plugged in and out. By the way, I'm gonna lower the jack a little bit more so the tire won't turn or rotate.
Better products. So useful.
Yeah. Is my glue there? Cement glue?
The yellow?
The blue one? No? Hold on. Did I bring it back? No. Put it right in the middle. So we're gonna let it dry for a few minutes and then cut those off. By the way, they have a thinner strip or the fatter strip. I think I put the fatter strip because that's why I had to struggle a little bit harder to push in. there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.